Hi everyone, thank you for being here at the Concept Clips. Today we are going to learn about the objectives of accounting. But before that, please understand the history, meaning and characteristics of accounting that I have explained in the previous clips. Now, let us see the objectives of accounting. Number 1. Permanent records. In accounting, transactions and events are recorded in written form. These records are kept either in the form of books or recorded in computer on permanent basis. Records of past performance are often reviewed in the future to formulate policies and for decision making. Number 2. To know the effect of each transaction. Each transaction has its effects on overall profitability or economic condition of the business. It helps us track down the financial result of a period to its roots, and thus it helps in obtaining that information. Number 3. To know influential factors. The information of factors affecting profit or loss as well as economic condition of the business can be obtained by preparing accounts. This is one of the most important factors affecting preparation of accounts. Number 4. To determine tax liability. To determine the tax liability of any person or firm, his accounts are taken as a base, as they reveal the income earned by that person or firm, which will be further taken into consideration for taxation purpose. Number 5. To know the size of the payables. In business, in addition of cash transactions, credit transactions are also made. For example, purchase of raw material on credit. However, this payment is to be made in future. Till the non-payment of the transaction, it will be treated as a liability. At the end of the year, what is the quantum of the liability can be ascertained from accounts. Number 6. To know quantum of receivables. So like purchasing the raw material on credit, we might also have sold some goods on credit as well, right? So until we receive that amount back, it is shown in the books as receivables. This information can be obtained from accounts. Number 7. To measure profitability of business. The significant objective of accounts is to measure earned profit or incurred loss for a particular period. That is, to know the financial result of a respective period which is made available by accounting. Number 8. To know economic status of the business. At the end of the year, what is the size of liabilities, assets, and receivables of the business can be seen from accounts. When assets and receivables, that is the money we are to receive, are more than liabilities, it can be said to be a good economic condition, which is known as the solvency, can be found out from accounts. Number 9. To detect and avoid errors and frauds. By investigating prepared accounts, financial mistakes or crimes can be traced out. Accounting helps to prevent such kinds of undesirable events. It kind of maintains indirect control to avoid errors and frauds. So with that, we have completed the objectives of accounting. Thanks again for tuning in. See you in the next step. Bye.